So over time, you may have a lot of projects inside of HappyScribe. And if you were to go around over here in the home page, you can see the projects that you have made. For example, you got some sample projects right here, and you can see that I got some sample recording, HappyScribe sample, and 5th generation computer system project right here that I made. So this comes under my files. But if you were to go to all files, then you would see all of the files and even see the files that has been shared for you. And if you were to click on see all, then you get to the other view right here where you can go ahead and access out all of the files right here. If I were to go around over here, let's say for example in the home page, this is what you have. And then over here on the left hand side, you can go around over here onto search to go ahead and search out for the projects that you have. For example, if you were to go ahead and type computer, then you can see that under my files, you simply have this particular project that you can go ahead and access out right here. Apart from that, if you were to go to the library section right here, then you get to the main project section right here as well. And you can even go ahead and let's say, for example, type in the word right here in order to go ahead and filter out your project. So this is basically what you have, as you can see. And if I were to click on the 3-dot button, then you have different ways to actually go ahead and manage out your project. You can go ahead and rename it, duplicate it, or translate it, or open it right here just like this, copy out the link, and so forth right here just like this. So this is basically how you can go ahead and find and manage out your project files inside of HappyScribe. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe